Hi, it's El Macho. Today, I'll be making some fresh cinnamon rolls. Let's start. You will need a pan, cooking spray, some cinnamon rolls, and a spoon. First, you have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake. And this is already at 350, so we'll just press start. Now you spray the pan with some cooking oil. Next, we take out the cinnamon rolls. So we start by peeling this off. Now that we have the label off, let's open it up. Now that we have it open, let's put it on a cutting board. There's our icing. That is literally spilling everywhere. Let's get our icing out. Oh. And now we separate them. After cutting them, you put them in the oven for 26 minutes. Don't forget your safety first button. Try not to touch. Jesus. They're gonna drop. Good. And now let's eat. Just take this one out, put it there, and get some icing. Get a bit more. Not too much. And now let's eat it. Okay, This is actually really good. I suspect there's a lot of cleaning I have to do. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog, and as always, I'll see you next time.